A hinged accelerator pedal is designed to replace the original pedal so it can be folded safely out of the way. The additional space that is created allows the driver to stretch out their legs and move the knees away from the hand control, eliminating the risk of the pedal accidentally being operated. It's also particularly helpful if you share your car with someone who doesn't require adaptations, as the accelerator pedal can easily be folded back down. A flip-up accelerator is designed to be used with mechanical or electronic hand controls, but can always be used in conjunction with a twin-flip left foot accelerator. For more information about hinged accelerator pedals, driving aids and other vehicle adaptations, speak to one of our experts by web chat, online inquiry or by phone. Vehicle Adaptations, enabling independence. Mobility in motion.